Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, we are going to see how to make a very delicious onion chutney. This is a very delicious recipe. It goes very well with idli and dosa. You can store this chutney for about 10 to 15 days in the fridge and use it whenever you want. So let's get started and let's see the ingredients for this delicious onion chutney.
I've taken about 12 large onions. We need to peel it and cut it into large pieces. I've taken one lime size of tamarind, which is a seedless tamarind. Let's keep it aside. Now we need to take about 12 dried red chillies. You can alter the red chillies according to your taste, and we also need salt according to taste. So now you can see that our onions, tamarind, dried red chillies and salt is ready.
So now that the ingredients for this chutney is ready, let's get started and start preparing the onion chutney.
Let's cut the onions into large pieces. We need not cut it into very tiny pieces. We are going to grind it in a mixer jar. So let's keep it aside. Now in a mixer jar, let's add the dried red chillies, the tamarind, the chopped onions and salt. And let's grind it into a fine paste. Do not add water to this mixture. Now you can see that our onion paste is ready. Now let's take a non-stick pan. A non-stick pan is preferable for this chutney. Now let's add about 1/4 tumbler of oil. I'm using the regular cooking oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's transfer the onion chutney into the pan. Keep the flame in medium, do not keep the flame in high, and slowly keep stirring the chutney till it becomes nice and dark and brown. In the beginning stage, you can see that the chutney starts to splatter, so it's always better to close the pan with a lid half closed so that the chutney does not splatter on you. Keep mixing regularly. Now you can see that the chutney has started to splatter. So at this stage, let's close the pan with a lid. After a few minutes, let's check the chutney. You can see that the splattering has stopped. At this stage, let's add about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. This enhances the taste of the chutney. Now give it a quick mix and check the seasoning. You can add a little salt or sugar if necessary. Now at this stage, let's add about 1 tablespoon of oil and keep stirring till you get a nice dark brown color. Now you can see that the chutney has transformed into a nice dark color. So this is the color that we are looking for.
So that's it friends. Our delicious onion chutney is ready. So tasting time, let's taste the chutney and see how it has come out. Our onion chutney tastes absolutely yummy. So do try this recipe and let me know your comments. So if you like this video, like, subscribe to my channel and keep watching Fabulous Chef. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.